Peach County commissioners have decided to pay for mental health services for active first responders. At a meeting this week, they agreed on a yearly premium that covers post-traumatic stress support services. Carmen Brown spoke with county leaders who say this is a much-needed step forward to break the mental health stigma when it comes to public safety.
An effort to break a generational cycle of brushing off workplace stresses, now recognized by the state after Governor Brian Kemp signed House Bill 451 this spring.
You're going to see things that you have trouble dealing with. Just go home and drink you a couple beers and that'll take the rough edges off of it.
Peach County Sheriff Terry Deese says that was what his class was taught during Police Academy. The bill requires government agencies to provide financial support for first responders diagnosed with work-related post-traumatic stress disorder. Sheriff Terry Deese says after one of his captains took his life in 2009, he invested in his department's mental health.
That's the first time we really required everybody in our agency to go through, to talk to counselors and to go through counseling.
Peach County leaders are purchasing a $22,000 annual premium. That's about $137 for each active first responder. The coverage grants them a $3,000 cash benefit and PTSD disability support. The city of Byron also approved an insurance package.
I think everybody that's been doing this job 3 to 5 years is dealing with some type of post-traumatic stress. It's just how you handle it and how you keep yourself mentally healthy.
Like Deese, he's happy law enforcement is prioritizing mental health.
An emphasis is being put on it more and more each year, and I think it should.
The new Georgia law takes effect January 2025. In Peach County, Carmen Brown, 13 WMAZ News.
An estimated 30% of first responders develop mental health issues compared to about 20% of the general population. That's according to the Federal Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. They say the most common problems, depression and post-traumatic stress. That state law that Carmen talked about provides benefits to first responders diagnosed with PTSD. It's called the Ashley Wilson Act, named after a Gwinnett County sergeant who advocated for the legislation. Wilson suffered from PTSD after seeing a fellow officer die in the line of duty. Under the law, first responders can get $3,000 cash for the first 90 days they seek treatment. After those 90 days are up and they still need treatment, they'll be eligible for a 2-year supplemental salary benefit.